How to use Love Spouse app, Love Spouse app review. Now, this is an app designed mainly for couples and users of certain smart devices to connect remotely and control compatible devices via smartphone. On its App Store listing, it says that after you scan or enter a device ID, you can link with your partner and use various modes. So to use it, of course, go ahead and download the app from the App Store, register an account and log in. Once you enter, you're gonna see this. You have the login page. You can log in if you already have an account, but if not, just go ahead and press on sign up. Once you sign up, you're gonna have to put your gender. Since gender settings cannot be changed later, make sure this is the correct one that you have. Then just put in the information. You can put in your nickname, whichever you want, and then your birth year. So you can also put a picture or profile if you want, then go to the next step. And using anonymous mode will hide your avatar and nickname from other users. If you want to do that, press on enable. If you want other people to see you, then of course press on disable. Then just go ahead and press on completed. Then you'll get a little reward, which is very cute. But anyways, once you're inside the actual dashboard, you should be able to see your home page. Press on the plus sign to pretty much connect with the other person or the other device, which is showed on the instruction manual or the product page of whoever you want to connect with. You can see your world over here, the community messages, of course, with the people you want to talk to. You can even add new contacts and friends. If you want to do that, press on new contacts as well. And you also have the profile over here. So there is lots of remote interaction support in it, so it allows couples to be connected over distance, multiple interaction modes as well with cross-platform availability. So it's available in iOS and Android, but some features may vary as well. It's also very free to download, but there are subscriptions that you can try if you want more features. Although there are some compatibility and reliability issues, many users report problems with device pairing, but eventually you should be able to do this once you get more used to the actual app. So if you already own a compatible smart device and you're comfortable with the remote control or intimacy device category, then Love Spouse can offer interesting features for couples, especially with long distance situations. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.